Yes people, welcome back to FadaGugs Channel. You see, today's video I'm going to be making watermelon and orange juice. You see, this juice is going to be very refreshing, easy to make, and you can also use this as a weight loss juice because of all of the different ingredients them inside it. So some of the ingredients them, I'm going to be using quarter watermelon. And we know watermelon, it is made up of 90% of water. So as I said before, perfect for going in a weight loss drink. It is high in vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, vitamin C, and it is also high in antioxidant. The watermelon is rich in lycopene that increase the body amino acid that helps move blood through our body and also burn fat. We're going to be adding 2 medium-sized orange. And orange have a lot of minerals and vitamins, and it is also good for cold. Orange are known for its high vitamin C content and a powerful antioxidant that help to protect our cells from damage. The orange, it is also a good source of fiber, vitamin B, vitamin A, calcium, and also potassium. Mint leaf. We're going to be using 5 to 6 mint leaf. And the mint is rich in nutrients. It may improve irritable bowel syndromes. It may help to relieve indigestion. And the mint, it could improve brain function. Lime, we'll be adding 1 lime. Lime is high in vitamin C and antioxidant and will offer a lot of health benefits. If we eat the lime or we drink the lime juice, it improves immunity, reduce heart disease risk factor. It can also prevent kidney stone, aid iron absorption, and promote a healthy skin. Then we are going to add 2.5 cup of water, 2 to 2.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey. The honey is optional, so if you don't want to use honey, you don't have to use honey. Honey is optional. So that's just a basic information on all of the ingredients them that I've got here. I'll leave a more detailed one in the description below. So if you like the information we're getting from FadaGugs so far, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and also turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now let's just get on and make the drink. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to dice up this watermelon and then I will get back to you. So here you have it people. I've already cut up the watermelon. I have these seeded because we don't really want the seed in this juice. So for the lime and the honey, we're going to be using them once we finish blending the juice. So I'll just move them to the side. Bring the blender, start add the stuff to the blender. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to throw watermelon inside the blender. Make sure you wash your hand and you wash all the mint leaf them. Remember, always wash your ingredients. Make sure so them clean. So that's it. So that's the watermelon. So now we're going to just put the mint leaf them inside the blender with the orange. We're going to just peel the orange and then just drop it inside of the blender. So just give it a quick peel. Here we have it. So what we can do now, we can just cut the orange in half. Just for it a bit easier on the blender. And then just cut the half in some smaller piece. Like that. And we just throw it inside the blender. So the blender doesn't really have a lot of work. Just like that. Just get these out of the way. And then I'll add with 2 cup to 2.5 cup of water. Just like that. And as I said, the honey and the lime, we're going to use that when we blend it, just to taste it, so we don't put too much. So there you have it people. All ready to start the process of blending. So I'll blend it up quickly and then I'll get back to you. So here we have it people. All finished blend. Smelling nice as well. Press this out of the way. And then, so we're going to strain this now. So I've got my straining bowl with my straining cloth inside it. You can use a strainer if you haven't got a straining bag. So we're going to now just pour that juice. Oh, that's nice. Then just lift the bag and just watch all of the juice just run out. So here you have it, people. Yeah, our strain looking nice. So I'll just get my spoon and just give it a little stir, and we're going to give it a taste just to see what it tastes like before we add the lime and the honey. Yeah, that actually tastes nice. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the lime, get the strainer, just squeeze out the lime juice inside it. Just like that. Yep, that's it. Then we're going to get the honey, and we're just going to add about a teaspoon of honey inside it. Then we're going to mix them up again. This drink is very refreshing. Very. Yeah, let me try that again now. Yeah, that is nice. This no need nothing more than this is ready. So here we have it, people. All finished and looking nice. So what I'm gonna do now, just set it to the side and just bring back the chopping board so we can put it in a nice glass so you can have a better look. So that's it. Yeah, it's looking lovely. I'm gonna do now, just get some of the ingredients them. Just put beside it. Just like that. Nice piece of mint leaf. Last but not least, nice straw. So there you have it, people. That's the final product. Watermelon and orange juice. Don't forget, it's very refreshing and it has a lot of health benefits. And as I said, it can also be used as a weight loss drink because of all of the ingredients that is inside it. So if you like the video today, just give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And as always, share it with your friends and your family. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.